Guys, welcome to my channel. So today in our session, we will going to start our new topic, that is stack and tune. So basically stack and tune both are the abstract data types which are used to store and retrieve the elements in a specific order. So usually stack follows the last in front in first out. That means stack follows the last in first out principle, that is LIFO, meaning that the last element added to the stack will be the first one to remove. So let me show you the example of stack in our Python. So I will write first the definition here. Okay. So let's go here. First of all, I will put here L as a variable. In L, I will give empty list. Here, I will put type here while true, and here I will put one variable, that is the integer input. Here in this line I will enter here like this, and I will give here first so now I will type here if p is equal to 1. In that I will put here add is equal to input, enter the value, and here I will put here L dot append. In this I will add here N as my argument in append function, and in the next line I will print here print L. So After that, I will put here ellipse c is equal to 2. Here I will pop the elements. For that, I will use here if len l, okay, is equal to 0. That means we are comparing the length of value l, which means it will give me the remainder as 0. So I will print here one statement, that is empty stack, and for else I will give here p is equal to l dot pop print p, and in that I will print here print l. Now in the next line I will type here l is equal to 3 if length l is equal to 0, then print here empty stack again, and again I will use here else print last stack value l into minus 1, and I will give here c is equal to 4 print display the stack, and in that comma l I will put here c is equal to 5 colon break, and in the last statement I will give here else print invalid operation. If I put here another number instead of 6, so it will give me this last statement as invalid option. But here, before running the code, I will teach you how to stack operation is working here. So for that, in the first one, it shows that push. That means it will insert the element in first occurrence. Okay, and the second step will be the delete all elements from the last element. That will it will delete the element from last, and the third step is pick. This means it will display the elements from the last side in reverse order, and the last step is display. That means it will show me the remaining elements that is present in our empty list, that will show here, and the fifth one is exit. That means it will go to exit mode from stack. right click and run the file. So here first it shows me I will enter here 1. In that I will add one value, that is 100. So as you see here 100 is added in our list. Now again I will type here 1. This time I will add here 200. Again type here 1. I will add the values from the last position. Again I will go here 1. So after addition of my value from the last in reverse order, I will now delete the element. So for that I will enter here 2. So as you see here 500 is removed from the last okay, from the last position. And if I want to display the last element, I will type here 3. So as you see our last stack value is 400. That means this is our last value in our list because 500 we have removed it. So the last element is 400. And now if I want to display my element, I will type here type 4. So it will show me all the elements that is present in our current list. So again if I want to delete one element, I will go here 2. So my last element now is removed is 400. And for display the element, I will type here again 4. So now our elements are present here as 100, 200 and 300. So I hope you got our idea. Then how stack is used in Python. So I am typing here 5 so that we will go to exit mode. Okay. So here is our code. And now our next example that I will show you is Q&A. Okay. So I will comment this all. So here in Q&A, it shows first position is in Q&A that adds the element to the Q&A, and DQ&A means remove an item from the Q&A. And third one that is get the front item from queue. And fourth one is rear, that means the last item will show from our list. So I will type here this all process. So here also I will type here, I will copy all this code that I have written for Q&A and I will paste in Q&A operation. So here I am making some changes. First there will be push element. After that there will be pop first element and the third one is front element and fourth one is last and the next one is to display the Q&A element. Okay. So here instead of stack I will put here empty Q&A. Here instead of -1 I have put here 0 and in the next step I will go here. I will put here empty Q&A and in, I will put here else block. Okay, here I have to put here if length L is equal to 0 and tab difference as last Q&A value. So the principle of Q&A is first in first out principle, which means the first element will be added to the uh, first and first will be one to remove. Okay. So I will put here L minus 1, L into square bracket minus 1. I put here comma L, and in 5 I will make here again changes. Print display unit, and here I will put here brace as print invalid operation. So here I have completed our Q&A operation here, and now I will run the operation for Q&A. First I will clear my all terminal, and then I will show you how this works. So first I will all the elements for all the elements I will show how to add. First one is push element. I will enter here one in my output terminal. So my first value will be 200. Then again I will add here 400. So like this I am adding my elements in my list. And if I press here 2, okay, some error has gone. Hmm. So as you see here, our first element is out. In the principal actor, first will be out and first will be in Q&A. In fact, it shows that last element will be in and first will be out. So this is the principle of Q&A here. Now again, if I enter here 3, it will show me the first value, that is 400. And if I enter here 4, then it will show me the last element. And again, if I put here enter here 5, then it shows me the all list elements, that is now current present in our list. So it's 400, 600 and 800. So I hope you got my example. So please subscribe my channel so that I will show more videos for you in Python. Hope you got it. Thank you for watching.